Hello, welcome to 6.2.2, finding integrals with a calculator. So today we're going to learn if I've got it like the integrals from say 2 to 7 of 3x squared plus 4 dx, and I wanted to find what that integral is equal to. We're going to find out how to find the exact value of that integral using your calculator. As a reminder, the exact value of that integral is the area under the curve from 2 to 7. So if I had a graph of 3x squared plus 4, looks something like this. This integral would be equal to the area under the curve starting at 2 and ending at 7. So I'd find that area. When you use your calculator, it's going to depend on what calculator you have for how you calculate that integral. So what I've got, I've got 3 different videos to help you out with being able to figure out the value of this. There is the video for a TI-83, a video for a TI-84, and a video for Desmos. All 3 videos are in our Schoology webpage. I'll show you them in just a minute. So here's our AB Calculus homepage for 6.2.2. You'll notice there are 3 videos in here so far. You'll have the 4th video showing up, which is the one you're watching now. But these are separate videos for figuring out how to calculate an integral using an 83 and 84, or with Desmos. So TI-83 and 84, those are those physical handheld calculators you have. You can tell which model you have by looking in the upper left-hand corner. It'll tell you which model you have. These are videos I just grabbed off the internet. They're pretty good. They're pretty short. They should definitely do the job. If you happen to have a calculator that's not a TI-83 and not a TI-84 and you want to know how to do it, Google it. They'll definitely have a video somewhere on it. Just about every calculator will have a video about how to take an integral. Since those videos will take care of showing you how to find the value of an integral with a calculator, I'm just going to bring a quick note to your homework. On your homework, you're going to have 2 sets of problems. 33 to 36, I want you to do them with a calculator. Regardless of what the directions say, just do those ones with a calculator. It's just there so that you practice finding 3 or 4 different integrals with a calculator. It's going to help you memorize how to do it. It's just going to help you be like, oh, this is how I find the integral with a calculator. So do those ones with a calculator, regardless of what the instructions say. For 47 through 55 odd, I want you to try those ones without a calculator. To do this, you're going to have to use the integral provided above the exercises. I'm going to show you that in a minute because a lot of times students miss that and they're like, I don't know how to find this. But try them without a calculator and then confirm your answers with a calculator. Again, just for that extra practice of being able to do it. So I'm actually going to do probably 47, just really to indicate what you're supposed to do. And then this video will be done and you can watch how to find one of the other videos to figure out how to do a integral with your calculator. All right, so here is problem 47 on your today's homework set. It's asking you to find the integral from -1 to 1 of x cubed dx. Without any more information, you guys don't know how to do that yet. However, luckily for you, right above it, they gave this information. The integral from 0 to 1 of x cubed dx is 1/4. So we should be able to figure this problem 47 out by using what we know about x cubed. I know x cubed looks like this. And this part here is telling me that the integral from 0 to 1 is 1/4. So if I find the integral from 0 to 1, it's going to give me this area here. And that area there is equal to 1/4. The problem for 47 is asking me to find the integral from -1 to 1. Well, since this is symmetrical, I should probably be able to figure out that from -1 to 1, that's going to be this area in red plus that area on the right, which is in blue now, but I'm going to change it to green. So if I add those 2 areas up, that should be the total value for this integral. Of course, since it's symmetrical, that'll also be a 1/4, but it's actually going to be a -1/4 for the integral because it's below the x-axis. That's something we talked about yesterday. So the value of this integral should be 0 because -1/4 plus 1/4 would be 0. So what I want you to do is try to figure out what you think it is. I think it's 0 without a calculator, and then use your calculator just to confirm it. I'm going to do that quick with Desmos just because I can. So if you've watched the video, you already know, but just in case you didn't, if you type int, that's a shortcut for finding the integral. I wanted to find the integral from -1 to 1 of x cubed dx. Don't forget that dx. As soon as you type it in, it gives an answer out. We were correct. That integral is equal to 0. All right, that's it. Watch the video for your particular calculator about how to calculate an integral on the calculator, and then do these problems with a calculator, those ones without, and then check it with a calculator. As always, if you need me, stop by my office hour. I'd be more than happy to help you out. See you later.